But if they do have a need to call our team, they make the phone call and our team is very, very responsive.
With more than 400,000 battery installations and 60,000 in April alone, how is your service team structured to handle this scale and maintain response quality?
Well, you know, Ava, it's been a crazy time in the industry, and some of the best players are the ones that look after the installers, right? That's something that at Dyness we pride ourselves on, and I've been really excited to hear feedback from so many of our installers that are so happy that not only is the installation of our product really easy and simple, and the commissioning is so straightforward, but if they do have a need to call our team, they make the phone call and our team is very, very responsive. I'd like to say it's best in class, and that's something that we've been building at Dyness for the last 6 months. We've put a lot of effort in building a foundation that is going to grow our product for now and in the future.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.